Hello everyone. In today's topic, we are going to learn about physical features of India. But before proceeding further, I would like to ask a question. And my question is, what do physical features mean? If I am asking about physical features of human body, what will come in your mind? Yeah, I know. You must be thinking about eyes, nose, hair, heights, colors, etc. You are absolutely right, my dear. Physical features are basically the features that can be touched and seen. For example, the features of human body are eyes, nose, etc. Similarly, if we talk about physical features of the earth, what will that be? It will be the features which you can see on the earth's surface, such as the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateaus, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the islands. Let me show you their location on the map. Here you can see the Himalayan mountain, which is located in the northernmost part of our country. Then we have northern plains, which are located south of Himalayan mountains. Now, this is the map showing Peninsular Plateau. It is divided into two parts, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. These plateaus are located south of Narmada River. Then here you can see Indian Desert, which is also known as Thar Desert. It is located in the northwestern part of our country. Let us see what is next. Oh yes, they are Indian islands. We have two groups of Indian islands. The first one is Andaman and Nicobar, which are located in Bay of Bengal. And the second one is Lakshadweep Islands. They are located in Arabian Sea. Then comes coastal plains. In India, we have two coastal plains, Eastern Coastal Plains and Western Coastal Plains. You must be wondering how these physical features have been formed. We will learn more about major physical features of India and how they have been formed in this chapter only. So let us learn about the rocky surface of the earth. There are different types of rocks. Some are very hard like marble, which is used for making cosmetic items, paints and papers. Taj Mahal, which has been constructed by Mughals, is also made up of marble rock. In contrary to this, we also find very soft rocks like soapstone, which is most commonly used for architectural applications such as countertops, floor tiles, shower bases, and interior surfacing. Do you know? The soils covering the upper layer of the earth is also made up of rocks. Interesting, no? But how? How they have been formed? They have been formed due to disintegration of rocks into very fine particles. Soil is also of different types depending on the color and texture of its parent rock. Have you ever thought about the causes of these variations? Yes, you are right. Most of these variations are caused due to differences in rock formations. Let us try to understand the formation. The large landmass of India has been formed by internal processes during different geological periods. Besides internal processes, there are a number of external processes which cause changes in the landforms. For example, weathering, erosion, and deposition. Let us understand each term one by one. The first one is weathering. Weathering is the breakdown of rocks by the action of rainwater, extremes of temperature, and biological activity. It does not involve the removal of rock material. The next one is erosion. Removal of the upper layer of the earth by the action of water flow and wind is known as erosion. Through erosion, a river can create many landforms such as valleys, waterfalls, floodplains, meanders, and oxbow lakes. Please don't be confused with weathering, which involves no movement. The third one is deposition. Deposition follows erosion. When rivers, winds slow down, they deposit sediments. Deposition by rivers can form alluvial fans, deltas, and can add soil to floodplains. So you must have understood by now that the surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. Thus, all three, weathering, erosion, and deposition, play an important role in modifying the landforms formed by internal process. Do you know? The earth scientists have tried to explain the formation of physical features with the help of some theories based on certain evidences. One such theory is known as plate tectonics. According to this theory, the crust, which is uppermost layer of the earth, has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates. Do you know the name of 7 major plates? They are African plate, Antarctic plate, Eurasian plate, Indo-Australian plate, North American plate, South American plate, and Pacific plate. These plates are continuously moving in different directions, and on the basis of their movement, the plate boundaries have been given different names. Let us know about the plate boundaries and the directions in which they move. Suppose this is one plate and this is another plate. This plate is moving in this direction and this one is moving in this direction. Can you tell me what will happen as both are moving towards each other? They will converge, and due to which they are forming which boundary? Convergent boundary. What else can happen? In the event of plates coming together, they may also collide and crumble, which will cause destruction. Therefore, the boundary is also known as destructive plate boundary. So let us learn about another plate boundary. Here you can see one plate. Now there is another plate and you can see these two plates are moving in different directions. They are moving away from each other. And because of that, which boundary will be formed? Divergent plate boundary. Why? Because they are diverging. Now think, what else can happen? When they will move away from each other, fault or gap can be created from where magma can reach on the Earth's surface. After reaching on the Earth's surface, the magma will solidify due to low temperature and will create a new landform. So what is happening here? Construction is taking place, due to which it is also known as constructive plate boundary. Now, let us know about the third one. At times, these plates may also move horizontally past each other and form which boundary? Transform boundary. Here, neither destruction nor construction take place. On the map, you can see plate margins of the world. Can you recognize three different types of plate margins that we have? Yes, I know, you can do it very easily. One important fact I would like you to know that most volcanoes and earthquakes in the world are located at plate margins, but some do occur within the plates. The movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continents over millions of years. Such movements have also influenced the evolution of the present landforms. So children, that's all about today's topic. Rest of the chapter will be covered in my next video. Hope you enjoyed watching. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks everyone.